How emotionally smart is your dog? Based on 3 types of intelligence, we have been able to gauge just how smart dogs are and how they rank when compared to humans. According to Science Today's article, Dogs' Intelligence on Par with 2-Year-Old Human, Canine Research says, dogs use 3 types of dog intelligence. Instinctive, what the dog is bred to do; adaptive, how well the dog learns from its environment to solve problems; and working in obedience, the equivalent of school learning for a dog. It was found that different breeds have different levels of intelligence in some of these areas over other breeds. For example, the Border Collie showed to be the smartest in the working in obedience area. For comparing to humans, they also looked at language and found the average dog can learn 165 words with signals, but the smartest can learn up to 250 words. In addition, dogs also showed to be able to perform fast-track learning, which means an ability to learn things in the fastest and most efficient way. This is a skill that was previously believed to be found only in humans and other language-learning apes, such as gorillas, orangutans, chimpanzees, and bonobos. It was also found that dogs can count up to 4 or 5 and understand simple math. They can, for example, recognize errors in calculations like 1 + 1 = 3 or 1 + 1 = 1. Dogs' intelligence was also studied by looking at how dogs model the behavior of humans or other dogs in order to solve spatial problems. It was found that they could learn through observation, the location of a valued item such as a treat, better routes in the environment such as the fastest way to a favorite chair, how to operate mechanisms like latches and simple machines, and the meanings of words and symbolic concepts, sometimes by simply listening to people speak and watching their actions. Dogs have also shown to be able to purposely deceive other dogs and humans in attempts to reach a goal such as getting a treat. Based on these results and comparing them to human research, it was found that their intelligence seemed to match that of a 2 to 2.5-year-old child. Since their intelligence level seems to match that of a 2 to 2.5-year-old child, it could be inferred that their emotional ability matches that as well. So next to be looked at is what is the emotional range of this age of human. According to Psychology Today's article, Which Emotions Do Dogs Actually Experience?, it appears that at this age in human development, a child has gained an emotional range that includes excitement and arousal, distress, contentment, disgust, fear, anger, joy, suspicion and shyness, and lastly, affection and love. Based on the similarities in intelligence of these two beings, it would therefore appear that dogs would contain a similar, if not the same, emotional range. Further emotions for humans developed after this point include shame, pride, guilt, and contempt. Based on research about intelligence in dogs and comparing it to human emotions, it appears that dogs do in fact have emotions, but they're not as developed as a fully developed human. This more current research refutes that of early scientists such as Descartes, who believed that dogs were simply machines with no emotions. Many of these studies concluding that dogs did not have emotions, however, were based in early times when the church was funding the scientific study. The church believed at that time that something had to separate humans from other animals, which is where ideas of soul developed. They believed that other animals did not have a soul and were therefore not conscious, and many of the research studies they funded at the time supported this idea. Now, while we may never be able to know with 100% certainty what exactly occurs inside of a dog's brain, based on their biology and their psychology, seen in many experiments, it seems to show that they do in fact experience a wide emotional range similar to, but not quite as developed, as humans. Studying the emotions of dogs is very important to the world and could positively affect many people's lives. Nowadays, most people that own a dog consider it to be part of a family. They of course want to do everything they can to take care of their dog. If people could better understand their pet's emotions, you would be able to more effectively attune to their needs and help that part of your family. This ability would overall make people happier. You personally can help to develop this study through participating in safe animal research. Friendly animal research, such as the experiments mentioned previously, can help uncover the secrets of the dog's brain. Studies like these could be participated in throughout college or as a career. Everyone can help to learn what exactly our furry friends are thinking.